Hey guys, Ryan McKenzie here at Quality Equipment Parts. Today I'd like to walk you around and show you one of our premier builds. This is a 2020 Kenworth T800 grapple truck. Walk with me, let me show you around. One of the first things I want to show you, and one of the key features of our grapple trucks, is our custom electrical enclosures. Here, you'll see our gray box designed with a pattern so you can easily see everything you have to access here. Inside, you'll find a fuse bank, hour meter, relay for your HD fan, and a breaker for the fan. On this model, we feature custom HD work lights, an HD cooler, Byers 1-inch thick polymer pads, and a Byers manual tarp system. Walking around the truck, you'll also see we've got Byers strobes, LED lights all the way around, and a nice aluminum Byers toolbox. Being our premium model, this unit's equipped with rear strobes, side strobes, and a custom HD bumper with light bar. On the back of this bumper, you'll see a reverse camera, tag light, and a 2.5-inch receiver to haul just about anything you can pull. Now I'm going to show you Beau-Roc's patented latching system. Check this out. You've got your standard handle, but here you've got a safety lock. Lift that up, unlatch your bed, and then this lock comes down to hold that securely in place while you're moving the body, while you're moving the door around. On the driver's side of the truck, we have a custom 36-inch Byers aluminum toolbox, custom 50-gallon aluminum hydraulic tank, and this particular model is equipped with an electrical up and down switch for your body dump. This truck is set up for the avid tree care and roll-off professional. In your business, you need products you can depend on. This unit is equipped with the 045 Grapple, heavy-duty cylinders, an RT142 rotator. Attached to that is the 910 Rotobec loader. This loader is capable of 8,400 pounds of lift capacity, equipped with LED lights and an extendable boom. This loader has a 24-foot boom plus a 3-foot extendable. That's 27 feet of reach capacity. Equipped on this unit is a Beau-Roc 24-foot, 50-yard dump body. This dump body is one of the most well-built bodies on the market, equipped with hard ox material, custom latching system you've seen earlier, and a male-hot dump cylinder. I'd like to thank you for watching today. Please like and subscribe on YouTube. Check out our Facebook at Quality Equipment and Parts, or check us out online at www.qepusa.com. Last but not least, if you have any questions at all, please give us a call at 386-754-6186. Thanks, guys.